we are at age of assemblers. We are no more builders. So think about you are building a house. You are building a table. What you do if you go to IKEA, what you do is you bring all the components together and just assemble the table. If you are deliver a table, it really does not matter how the table was sourced. What frameworks are you using to develop mobile apps? Does your customer care about that button which comes on your mobile phone screen is being developed by Flutter or iOS or Android or React Native? When they don't care, then why you care about building it if it is already available out there? Second thing is you should think through its capacity versus capability, right? If you are trying to optimize for capability, it takes 6 months to build any capability. Don't try to build ML pipelines. Don't try to build image processing. Don't try to build all these things. Its capability takes a lot of time, hundreds of people, right? Buy it. If you're looking at capacity, which actually is part of your core, right? Then outsource it.